See, for inconsistent, this is your chapter 3, linear equation and two variables. So first, system of linear equations were system of linear equations are. Yes, Ayonija, tell me the linear equations. Pair of linear equations, hurry up.
मैम पेयर ऑफ लीनियर मैम वो जनरल फॉर्म बतानी है
Yes, yes, yes.
ax plus by plus c
a1x plus b1y
plus c1 is equal
is
to
equal to
c
0 and a2x
plus b2y plus c2 is
equal to c. Good, beta. Yes, now next thing is to check the system is consistent or inconsistent. We have studied the cases that if first case was if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. RM, what was it?
Ma'am, inconsistent. Ma'am.
Yes, system was consistent.
Yes, ma'am.
Now second is if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Abhinav, what was it?
Ma'am,
Which type of system it is, beta?
inconsistent.
Consistent or inconsistent?
Inconsistent.
Yes, inconsistent because there is no solution. These represent, these pair of lines represent parallel lines. Okay. Sudhamshu,
Yes, ma'am.
if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2.
Consistent.
Yes, consistent. Very good, all of you. Now today we will learn that the lines are intersecting or parallel or coincident, right? So if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then lines are intersecting. Lines are intersecting means they will intersect at any point, right? Second is if f1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2, then lines are parallel. Yes, lines are parallel. And third one is if all three ratios are equal, then lines are
Intersecting.
coincident. Line are coincident.
Ma'am, can we also call it intersecting curves? They all
Intersecting means they will intersect. Suppose on a graph paper, you have drawn a line, one line like this and second one like this. So now it intersect at this point. Now that means where it meets. See, when you are drawing a perpendicular from this line to x-axis, then it, see, the coordinate of this point will be suppose 3 and coordinate of this point is 5. So there is only one solution now. Means value of x is 3 and value of y is 5. Clear,
Perfect.
beta? So if line will intersect, then there will be only solution. Okay? Or suppose if you are drawing any graph like this, suppose, so now the points of second line also line here. So these type of lines are coincident line. Okay? Clear? Aryan, Sudhamshu, Shan, Ayonija,
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am
Yes.
Aman,
Yes, ma'am.
Siddhishri.
yes ma'am
Okay. Okay, let's clear this with the examples. Please note it down. If lines are intersecting, then this condition will be there. A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. And if the ratio of first two ratios are equal, then lines are parallel. And if all three ratios are equal, then lines are said to be coincident. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, kindly unmute yourself and give me reply also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And now see, suppose if in any question, you have given pair of linear equations, and 2x plus 3y is equal to 9 and 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. Now you have to check whether the lines are intersecting, parallel, and coincident. Yes, Meher?
Yes, ma'am.
Meher, tell me the values of A1, B1 and C1.
Ma'am, value of A1 is 2,
Is
2, 3 and minus 9.
Okay. So first of all, you will write this equation in standard form like this: 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. Right? Now compare this equation. Compare it with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. So value of a1 will be, here coefficient of x is a1 and here is 2. So value of a1 is 2. Now plus b1y. So here coefficient of y is b1 and here is 3. So value of b1 is 3. And plus c1, constant term is c1 and here is minus 9. So value of c1 will be minus 9. Clear? Now next is Siddhishri.
Yes, ma'am.
Siddhishri? Yes, beta. Just tell me the standard form of this equation. This, as I have written here. Just tell me.
Ma'am, A4,
4x, yes.
4x plus 6, y
Y, yes.
is equals to 18.
Minus 18 is equal to
Minus
0. Okay. Now, Siddhishri, tell me the values of A2, B2 and C2, beta. We will compare it with A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. Now, tell me, beta, values of A1, A2, B2 and C2. A2 is?
A2 is 4,
Yes. B2 is?
B2 is 6,
Yes. And C2 is?
minus 18.
Minus. Very good, Siddhishri. Next, children. Next step will be that you have to find ratios. A1 upon A2. Then find B1 upon B2 and C1 by C2. So, Aman,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the ratio A1 by A2.
Um, 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2.
4? Yes, 1 by. Then B1 by B2 tell.
3 by 6, which is 1 by 2
3 by
again.
6, which is also equal to 1 by 2. And then C1 by C2.
9 by 18.
Minus 9 by minus 18.
Ma'am, that will equal
Right?
to 9 by 18.
1 by.
Right,
Yes,
ma'am.
good. Good, beta. Shan. Shan.
Yes, ma'am.
Shan, tell me. They are equal, right? All ratios are equal.
Yes, ma'am.
So if ratios are equal, just now I have told you that if ratios are equal, then lines are,
Coincident.
yes, lines are coincident. So you will write, therefore, lines are coincident.
Ma'am, and they are
So in
consistent,
each,
right?
yes, beta?
They're consistent, right?
Yeah. Children, see, in each and every question in which you have to check whether the lines are intersecting, parallel or coincident. First of all, you have to write the values of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Then just write the ratios. Ratios of A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C. And then just check whether these ratios are equal or not equal, or just first two ratios are equal. Okay, children? Kindly note it down. All have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only Abhinav and Ayonija have understood. Aryan,
Understood, ma'am.
Understood.
Sudhamshu,
Yes.
Shan, Meher, Aman, Siddhishri.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Children, you can show your thumbs up also if you are not able to reply. Okay. Note it down it fast, beta.
Ma'am, noted.
Okay, Siddhishri. And children, on this coming Saturday, your objective test would be there, and it will contain only these type of questions based on these ratios, right? In which you have to tell whether the lines are intersecting or parallel or coincident, okay? Or system is consistent or inconsistent. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
I'm giving you this small topic only in test because of this thing, that this topic will fix in your mind. Okay? Done, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now in next question also. In next question also, you have to check whether the lines are intersecting, parallel or coincident. Okay. Suppose equations are x plus 2y is equal to 4 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay. So now we will tell Sudhamshu.
Yes, ma'am.
Sudhamshu, tell me the standard form of this equation number 1.
X plus 2y minus 4.
Yes. X plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. And second is already in a standard form. 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now tell me the values of A1, B1 and C1, Sudhamshu.
A1 is equal to 1. B1 is equal to 2. And
Yes.
C1 is equal to minus 4.
Yes. Good, beta.
A,
A1 is 2, B2, B1 is, A1 is 1, B1 is 2, and C1 is minus 4. Now next is Meher.
Yes. Ma'am, A2 is 2,
Tell me the values, beta.
2, 4 and
Yes.
minus 12.
Yes, very good. Ayonija,
Yes, ma'am.
now next what we have to do here?
Ma'am, we have to find the ratios and then A1 upon A2 is 1 by 2. Then B1 upon
Yes.
B2 is also 1 by 2. And then
Yes, 2 by 4.
C2 is not the 1 by 3. So A1
Lines are
upon
parallel.
is equal to B1 upon B2 but not equal to C1 upon C2. So the lines are parallel.
Yes, very good. See, children, here A1 upon A2 is minus, A1 upon A2 is 1 by 2, and B1 upon B2 is 1 by 2. So, therefore, you can write A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 by B2, right? And but C1 by C2 is 1 by 3. That is not equal to 1 by 2. So, you will write not equal to C1 upon C. So, if this
Ma'am, lines
condition
are parallel.
is there, so then lines are parallel. Lines are parallel. Understood, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt in this question, beta? So first of all, you have to write your equations in standard form. Standard form means A1 of A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. In the same way, A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. Then write the values of A1, B1 and C1. Then A2, B2 and C2, just compare their ratios. Understood, class? Kindly show me your thumbs up if you have understood.
Ma'am, I understood.
Yeah. Shyam, Siddhishri, not understood, beta?
Understood.
Okay, beta. Shyam, children, note it down it. Written class?
Yes, ma'am.
Class 10, all have written. Show me your thumbs up if you all have written.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Siddhishri, done, beta? Shan? Shan, are you there? Okay. Now next question is for you children. You will solve this question first of all, then I will see your notebooks. How are you doing?
Once could you
Question
show
is,
that previous one?
okay.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is check whether the pair of linear equations pair of linear equations 2x minus 3y is equal to 1 and 4x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 are parallel, intersecting, and coincident lines. Solve it, children, and tell me which type of lines they are.
Ma'am, intersecting.
Okay, I will see your notebooks too. Children, I will see your notebooks. Don't do orally your questions.
Ma'am, is it 4x minus 3y?
Yes, 4x minus 3y plus 1.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. All have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, turn on your cameras then.
Ma'am, 1 minute. I'm doing.
I'm still doing, ma'am. Wait.
Okay, it's okay. Those who are doing. Meher, have you done?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Aman?
Ma'am, can I share the
Done.
photo on the WhatsApp?
Yes, beta. And you can share. Abhinav, done?
Ma'am, I'm done.
Show me your notebook then. You have not mentioned at the last, beta?
Ma'am, they're intersecting. I just didn't write that. But
Yes. Okay, Abhinav. Aman, you have not mentioned beta at the last?
ma'am, they're intersecting line.
Yes, just mention it. Meher,
Yes.
have you done?
Ma'am, one minute.
Ma'am, I've
Siddhish?
sent the photo.
Okay, okay. Kainija just checking. Siddhishri, done beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay, do it fast. Ayonija, your answer is correct, beta. Okay. And avoid doing cuttings. Okay.
Okay.
All have done now?
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Anil,
ma'am.
show me your notebook. Meher, show me your notebook. Yes, good, Anil. Meher, show me your notebook.
Thank you.
Siddhishri, your camera is not working better after doing. Just send it on my WhatsApp, okay?
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Meher, Sudhamshu, Sudhamshu done? Sudhamshu, have you done beta?
Ma'am, I got
Show me
disconnected.
your notebook then.
Ma'am, I got disconnected due to some network
It's
issue
okay,
again.
beta. It's okay. Have you done the question?
No, ma'am, I'm just now started.
Okay, just do it now. Yes, children, all of you, please check it once. That your equations are 2x minus 3y. And you have to write it in standard form here. So you will write minus 1 is equal to 0. Right? Kindly unmute yourself, all of you. And just tell me the steps.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next is
4x minus 3y plus 1 equals 0.
yes, yes. Now next equation is 4x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Right? Then values of A1, B1 and C1. Speak, children. A1 will be 2.
Yes,
C1.
ma'am.
B1 will be minus 3.
B1 is minus 3 and C1 is
Minus
Minus
1.
minus 1. Then value of A2,
4
4. Value of B2 is
Minus
minus
3.
3,
minus 3 and value of C2 is
1.
1.
1.
So now we will compare the equations. So A1 upon A2 is equal to 2 by 4.
1 by
Yes, means 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Then B1 by B2 will be minus 3 by minus 3, right?
1.
So it will be 1. Then C1 upon C2 will be minus 1 upon 1 minus 1. All have got the same value.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, just tell me, A1 upon A2 is A1 upon A2 and B1 upon B2 are equal or not?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. So you will write here that A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So if ratios are not equal, it means lines are
intersecting.
intersecting. Yes, lines are intersecting. All have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me a thumbs up, children.
Understood now.
Yes. Okay, better. Now next question is, now next is, check whether two x plus y is equal to 10 and 2x minus 5y is equal to 15. So check whether lines are intersecting, parallel and coincident. Yes, children. Start doing it. Hurry up.
Now we have to check whether these lines are
Yes.
intersecting parallel.
Intersecting, parallel and coincident line.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, they're intersecting.
All have done? Yes, Anija, I receive your.
Ma'am,
Done? Show me your notebook, children.
I'm doing, ma'am.
Okay. Those who are doing, it's okay. And those who have done, show me a notebook. Start turning on your cameras.
Ma'am,
Yes.
done.
Show. Yes, Sudhamshu. Yes. Good, Sudhamshu. Good, beta. Aman done?
Ma'am, 1 second.
Okay.
Ma'am, my answer.
Yes, beta. Show Meher. Meher, Abhinav, both are showing. Show. Yes, good, Abhinav. Meher.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Yes. Yes, good, Meher. Yes, Aman, good. Aryan done? Siddhi ji,
last
send your
step, ma'am.
screenshot, beta. Okay, Siddhi Shri.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
I'm showing.
Show. Yes, good, Aryan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good, beta, good. See, children, in this question, first of all, you all have to write the values, in both the equation you have to write in standard form. So 2x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. Then second equation will be 2x minus 5y minus 15 is equal to 0. Children, unmute yourself and tell me the steps. Hurry up.
A1 equals to 2.
A1 is equal to 2, yes.
B1
B1
equal to
is
1.
1 and C1 is
Minus 10.
minus 10. Then A2 is
2.
2, B2 is
Minus 5.
Minus 5.
minus 5 and C2 is minus
Minus
15.
15.
Yes, good. Now find the ratios A1 upon A2.
1.
Ma'am,
So
1.
2 by 2, it will be 1 beta. Now next B1 by B2
1 by
1 by
minus
will be
5.
1 upon
1 by
minus 5
minus 5.
and C1 upon C2 will be
Minus
minus
10
2
by
by
minus
5
minus 5.
15.
So it will be 2 only. So just tell me, are they equal?
Ma'am, it's minus 15, yeah. Not minus 5.
Yes, minus 15. Sorry, sir. It's minus 15. So it is minus 10 by minus 15. So 2 by 3. Right? So are they equal? No.
No, ma'am.
So
Ma'am, they're
therefore
in
lines are
Intersect.
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 Yes, children, all have understood. Now I think these two things will fix in your mind. First is how you will check that the given system of equations having consistent solution or inconsistent, or how to check the given lines are parallel, intersecting, or coincident line. Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will not do any mistakes now in the in coming test.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. Now I think this is enough for today's class. And do your homework also. I will give you homework based on these questions only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Good evening, children. Good evening.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Good
Thank
day.
you, ma'am. Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
beta. Bye, beta.